Namaste, good morning, happy Sunday. So today we're gonna work on Bhujangasana or bow posture. So first step is you are lying down on your stomach, bringing your hands under your shoulders, and you're gonna try to come to Bhujangasana or cobra posture. Maybe you have a smaller cobra or you have a bigger, how much you can. Hold for a couple of breaths and then slowly come back. Now you're gonna bend your left leg, bend your right arm, and you're trying to grab your left foot. So this is half frog posture. Do this other side too and come back. Now bring your both arms in the side, lift your arms, lift your head, lift your chest, and try to lift your legs too. It's called locust posture. Hold it there. Strengthen your core, your shoulder, and then really slowly come back. Now again lifting your head with chest, your arms, maybe bending the left leg and the right leg. So you might be here or reaching to your feet if you're finding hard. So maybe get a strap and try to row. Tie your feet, or maybe take a small towel and try to reach to your feet. Or come here, lift your head more, chest more, and then you lift your legs and your thighs too. So only thing on the floor is your stomach. And now you can rock and roll. Get a nice massage on your stomach. Breathe. Hold for some time. Now you can get a massage on your shoulders too. For that you have to turn to the one of the side. Come back to the center. And now you are getting a massage on the other side. So go slow. Take your time. Come back to the center. Release the legs. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Press your hands. Slide forward. Lift up. Cobra. And then slowly come to child pose. Rest for some time. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste and have a great day.